Welcome to the special edition of the Bourse Academy. We are here with an important update and important video. Friends, in last video we have discussed the very important topic of ETF. Now we are going to understand what is a gold and silver ETF. These days many people are asking about how to invest into gold ETF and what is gold ETF and how safe investment into gold ETF is and what are the risks involved in investment into gold and silver ETF. So friends, first of all, gold ETF is nothing but it is a form of investment of an investor of money into gold via ETF. It means if you invest into gold ETF, simply you need to do is to either if you are doing it through SIP or if you are doing through lump sum, you simply what do? Instead of buying physical gold, you are giving money back to your AMC. AMC is nothing but a mutual fund company. So they allocate the portfolio into gold and silver. What does it mean? It means they will buy gold and silver on behalf of you and that will be kept in the form of NAV. So NAV we know is totally the way how the mutual fund industry is working. Second thing, the value of NAV will keep on going up and down on the basis of price. So for example, the price of gold is going up or the price of silver is going up. So the NAV will keep on increasing, and then when the price of gold is going down and then the price of silver is also going down, then the NAV will keep on going down. So the best way to invest into gold or silver ETF is to do recurring investment. Why? Because again Mr. Buffett tells no one cannot time the markets. So whether it is an investment into stock market or whether it is an investment into bullions in forms of gold or silver via ETF, let's not time it. So what a common man, what an aam aadmi like us can do, he or she can start SIP. How? Again we'll make a new video how to invest into gold and silver via SIP. We'll show even the screen also how to do the KYC and how to start that. Second part I wanted to tell, a new generation of investor mostly wants what? Digital form of investment. Gold and silver ETF investment will give you a digital way to hold gold and silver in your accounts, in your books. You all know that owning gold and silver in physical form have many risks. Number one is the risk of theft. Number two is the risk of purity. Number three is unnecessary making charges. So these are the three parameters with which we can understand that gold and silver ETF is the best way to invest into bullions if you are a person who loves bullion. It is an important metal because it comprises of many important things. For example, these days renewable energy, green energy is in the top of discussion of the global forum. So you all know the solar panel mainly comprises of silver. So silver is again going to be useful metal in solar energy, in solar farms, and also it will be useful in different other parts of the industry, whether it is the machinery, whether it is the plants, and whether it is also useful in many industrial and automation process. So friends, it is a high time and it is a very good time to understand how to invest into ETFs and how to invest into gold and silver ETF. There are few risks also involved. The major risks are, if you see the last 2 years of performance of gold and silver, it is subduedly on a lower side. So what I think in the future, if the performance will keep on going up, then definitely the NAV will keep on going up. Second, if bullions will fail for some year, then it may not be able to give you a recurring income what you are expecting. So these may be the few risks associated with the investment into gold and silver. But conclusive remarks will be like that it creates number one hedge against what? Inflation. Inflation is again running up like crazy horse. I'm not saying that in ETF into gold and silver is only going to take you out of the investment, but from the inflation, but it is one of the key source. Second, if the market collapses and if the market correction will happen, I'm talking about the stock market, then the gold and silver ETF will act like a hedge and it will protect you. Since it is a part of alternative investment, it will protect you from the downside risk of the stock market. So, and last I will just conclude that gold and silver ETF is for the new generation, younger people, millennials who want to start, can start with as low as 500 rupees of SIP. I hope this video and this impactful session is going to help all of you to achieve your goals in the investment. Thank you so much. This is Pushkar Anand signing off. One more request I like to make all of you, please, if you like the content, please follow, subscribe and comment so that we will be actively able to publish new videos. Thank you.